Na busuafo ye wie ni abohwi na asamba ko edi ehimma nei former president, the flag bearer of the NPP. Wade na no atumbie efa PhD any Dutch passport. Komo ewa ho asa agro. Ghana mpanyifo bebre di oma no atumbi. PhD any Dutch passport. Dia ene onyamom ye kasai. Emprempren dia ene onyamom. Videos na ye ready ade okofa ba ye mbo. Na afa omo ate na oma dwene so. Wo mo enka na ye mie phone line na Ghana phone ntino ma. Aya krado amoma mente why na asamada. Asamote wono school fee.
Madam for pa your friend Romeo.
Ye nkwa na.
Down me fi Ghana 23rd. Madam for pa your friend Romeo. Down me fi Ghana 23rd March 2018. No driving me call airport. Sisia or US Chicago. 6 years near me hunie. Holland ha me timini baby a US embassy wo. But one because of this passport. And open me ka 7% me cost Romeo. Me te toilet soon me fill US ESTA application. Me tua just $21. You can't tell me say take 72 hours and send me approval. In 1 hour 20 minutes. And I may approval by. To want the power of this passport. PhD will live on cramba. Passport to your friend over achievement. Romeo, I'm coming to see you.
My heart was broken, Mama Comfort, when I saw a little video challenge and it's speculating all over the internet that the Dutch passport is far better than a PhD degree. The glory is changed. The glory is changed. What is a Dutch passport as compared to a do you know what it means for somebody to pursue a PhD? Do you know by the time somebody finished writing his thesis, project work, research work, before the person comes to the point of PhD, do you know what goes into it? The generation is mad. What is seke? Yeah, that generation is seke. Jeremiah chapter 51 and verse number 7. This generation is a mad generation. Yeah. A Dutch passport is better than a PhD. They have changed the glory. A Dutch passport. So if now a person has a Dutch passport, they don't need university. They don't need education. They have changed the glory.
They say PhD or Dutch passport.
So which one would you have gone for?
It's symptomatic of a failed state where your citizens, the nation builders, young people who are supposed to be helping to build the nation, are choosing the passport of other countries, and they are priding themselves in going to be cleaning toilets over PhD. We should bow down our heads in shame. This is not the Ghana that Kwame Nkrumah envisaged. This is not the spirit that Kwame Nkrumah wanted to develop in Ghanaians, that will be so patriotic and hold our passport with a certain pride. Our young people are now preferring going out to be cleaning toilets over degrees. And I'm sad that we are even allowing this argument to fester. You cannot blame them. I mean, you think that if they have something better doing in Ghana, they would choose to clean toilets and pride themselves in. Is it that the toilets of Ghana smells bad than the toilets of Netherlands? I don't understand. But let me tell them that, you see, it's a matter of choice. Some of us, we schooled in these places. We had the opportunity to teach there. Even up till now, we've gotten invitations to be there. And we said no. And let me tell them that They do all. Some of us, we don't like the lifestyle that they live there. You do all your work, you get all the money, you use it to pay all the bills. When they come to Ghana, they are not able to stay for more than a week. When they are leaving, they are broke. They come and beg us. We are the ones who give them money to go back so that they will go and work and bring it back. We don't like the standard of living, no, their lifestyle there. We prefer to be here and to contribute.
Very dangerous for our youth. It's misleading. Now, the messenger said, Obi Abeka said, Abrochre Kobiso, passport to Niasi Rumasiano. Nani Panu Nimia, it's not a Sakuna when you have a passport when you have the Umasian Bufiano. And a woman's just on to the Rusa. And it's Netherlands who says Sweden, who says America, who says Singapore, who says Canada. One at the Umasian patriotism. And it's even in Germany, and San Juma, training education, and on the fast. Or man be a no way, or man be a working Piano. A woman China, woman South Korea, woman Propia, one word to me a picture our industry move, and until woman to me a be a Yuma Akasakia, who call our winner be a new woman. So one
would degree who we are sitting our Ghana. But what trust will publish our trouble up and one the PhD, the WWDO. Ne ho ahwan di o akaboda entimi nya adwuma wo France entimi nya adwuma e wo friend say US age se wako school e wo ho anya ho set ansana wo degree ni school a wako nyina ntimi awake wo abrochi ya wo Ghana de she bebre wo Ghana ha a adwuma bi wo ma de man se wanya wonye because one aketua ne nye ko Ghana o ka che me kokoma ni say sebi men kope pa ya ne so a ebi amenye because for say aketua ne nye den enye na so kwa brofo ni bi kuro mu a de otwi bola ka Philip proud dientra abani twia ne kayi se ba ya wo panipa mo ma be ya adwuma no a o ma be eti ye onkofo bebi o ma pre so pese bi twi bola ka wa abrochire adi application akoto obi kura ya adwuma o bank but onya bola ka obetwi Ghana eye mususem so be free bank so be twibola ka ade na ye dirty work na ya tantan de na nkesi etua ka ye no Ghana credit me di bible so me be me nsanan na ntu obi ka.
Unspeakable corruption, nepotism, brazen theft, waste of national resources, impunity, and general criminality have become the hallmarks of Ghana's current government. There is widespread despair and anguish amongst our people, leading to an active debate that I have followed recently on our social media about whether securing a foreign passport to do menial jobs in Europe is better than holding a PhD in Ghana. It is a reflection of the adversity into which our nation has been plunged. Otherwise, there's no basis of comparison between a visa and a PhD. A PhD is about learning and education.
So be a grad degree and now PhD. Meanwhile, my country, my brother be a medical school work in UST yeah. Now we a UK citizen, go PM or UK doctor, and now a security mine our UK. Ghana doctor so benya admission crying easy. I was there 7 years. I a housemanship. Every I the vessel go UK security mine. Mete lady be on so weird medical school. And Nikunu now on so weird medical school akwa premo UK. Wakwa nurse wo to school so answer ye man kwan e man practice here as a medical doctor no ba no wie ye no. Wakwa che se utina fie sebe etiti panimu bini. na osi ebi no ho akọ medical school na akatua no a ode ye sa adwuma no ya na ye Ghana for no ya na ye ni mra de won pesika kese kakra bi obenya obetimi asi dan atoka wope enti ebi akọ medical school akọ anu otifie wo hwe mrewa obetimi akọ school ni bi aka ho aye courses bi ase ama ne kwan ama na practice as a medical doctor nti wo ye doctor wa ha na agba life wa ha wo doctor na ha na esie wo de trashie ekọ UK US enkahu. This is what the guy was talking about. Doesn't mean say school nye. And say school nye o. Now I'm go be abene. Now yeah, go be crying so. Now I want go be. No them tell, but sometimes in penny for soon the binance at your my or may. Come here, say. Ko Canada embassy. Ko hwen koda mmabunu ene wo mo ye daate. E mmabunu no mo ye daate no na say penny for ya boy bra say na wie. Krono ni pebuo enye politicians nko wo a wuti dwomu a woto ade. Koto ade ntu sidi. Wo ton 10 Ghana. Ewi Dano me catch on toast baby am ton no happy there e Costa 20 Ghana bebre ko other market ko or the ba ko be ma 5 city kro for on kan de no waka politician kwa de ko UK embassy ne ko US embassy emmabu no esamwo enam kokora no kura adwane because the system has become some way aye bibia ho niema kosuri yakatua nkoye dada no a nti management ziawe na ya unza maye kase kakara banku na mi ndi banku mi ndi ren dia no ma kwanso a wa hwe aboso me makatua na nyam banku ni mako ma funa asese se ya ma nnan ni me di exercise agina mu se be ya banku no ebi betwe ti wa fa plans anto ho a wa so be yese Ghana ha de adu wa fa plans wa nya wa so be yese
Onua 95.1 FM. Yeah, Jinimo.